Dear children, how are you? Today I will write a story about the friendship of lion and rabbit. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a mighty lion. He was considered the king of the jungle because of his strength and dominance. Everyone feared him, but the lion often felt lonely. He wished for other animals to be his friends, but they all ran away in fear. One day, a small rabbit arrived in the forest. He was very clever and friendly. The lion saw him and thought, perhaps this little rabbit can be my friend. The lion approached the rabbit and asked, "Would you like to be friends with me?" The rabbit gathered courage and replied, "If you promise not to harm me, I can be your friend." The lion was delighted and promised never to hurt the rabbit. After this incident, all the animals in the forest saw the friendship between the lion and the rabbit. They came to the lion and said, "We want to be your friends too." The lion was overjoyed and realized that the power of friendship and kindness was far greater than his physical strength. Moral of the story: the power of friendship and compassion is the greatest. Strength should not be used to intimidate others, but to help and support them. Dear Children's Society sends you a message that friendship, compassion, and cooperation are the keys to building a better society. Everyone, big or small, should work together and help one another.